How to import progress into the Encode app. If you have been using the Encode application and wondering on how to import progress on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Encode application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto Settings at the top right corner, select it. Then scroll down and here you can find Import Progress right here. Now to import, you need to copy your backup file into your clipboard, then it will restore your progress from your clipboard. Now tap on to import backup file from clipboard. Just like this. And now you can see the progress is now restored. Now go back and simply see your progress. And that's it. This is how you can import progress into the Encode app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.